The 2026 Mitsubishi RV Motorhome Camper is what happens when smart engineering meets bold adventure. It's not trying to be a supercar. It's not trying to be a mansion on wheels. What it is practical perfection, rugged, tech-savvy, and designed to take you deep into the wild without ever leaving comfort behind. From the outside, it's unmistakably Mitsubishi. The dynamic shield grille is reimagined for size, flanked by split-beam LED headlights and a high-clearance, angular body sculpted to slice through wind and weather. Skid plates, reinforced bumpers, and a matte gunmetal finish speak to its off-road DNA. The roof rack is built in, and the integrated ladder leads to solar panels and a rooftop observation deck that doubles as a stargazing platform. Underneath, Mitsubishi's next-gen hybrid diesel-electric powertrain puts down 620 horsepower with torque that can haul, climb, and cruise across any terrain. The Super Select 4WD system is enhanced with terrain mapping AI, automatically adjusting suspension, throttle, and traction control for rocks, sand, snow, or mud. Whether you're off-grid for a weekend or off-map for a month, this machine adapts like a survivalist with a PhD. Step inside, and you're met with a space that balances utility and comfort with quiet brilliance. The layout is modular, everything folds, slides, or tucks away with intent. Bamboo-paneled walls, weatherproof seating, scratch-resistant flooring. The main lounge is flanked by wraparound benches that convert into a full bed or a dining nook, with a pop-up 55-inch screen for entertainment or navigation overlays. The kitchen is compact but built for real use. You've got a 2-burner induction stove, a shock-mounted fridge-freezer combo, filtered water dispenser, and collapsible sink basin with gray water recycling. And yes, there's even a self-cleaning microwave and a coffee station that grinds, brews, and pours with precision. The rear sleeping pod offers a hybrid memory foam mattress, 3D mesh ventilation, and magnetic blackout blinds. It's surrounded by modular storage cabinets designed for both gear and wardrobe space, and the ambient lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day or activity. Above, a smart glass skylight with climate tint lets you fall asleep under the stars, or block out the heat in seconds. And the bathroom? Fully sealed and efficient. A rotating wall converts it from a toilet space to a shower stall, complete with a water-saving mist system, built-in heater, and antibacterial coating. It's practical luxury for real-world explorers. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is for those who don't need excess, but demand capability. For the family that wants to explore wild trails. For the couple chasing the northern lights. For the solo wanderer who believes out there is still a destination worth driving toward. Starting at $210,000, it's more affordable than most of its high-end competitors, but no less ambitious. It's tough, smart, and built for the long road ahead, wherever that may be. So, what kind of adventure would you take in this rig? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more vehicles built to go beyond limits. Wherever you're headed, make sure the journey is just as epic as the destination.